there yet.
You and I, we're trouble in sight. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong.
All right, we are in Leslie Gulch today, and we've got a bunch of the family along for a fun adventure. Let's introduce you to everybody.
Oh my gosh. He's trying to bite you.
He's so cute.
I'm so glad you didn't kill him.
I thought I had killed him.
He's crazy.
He's so cute.
So, who knows what kind of snake? Michelle, you know, right?
Don't let Ollie get anywhere. No, it's a corn snake.
No.
What kind of snake is it?
This is a gopher snake.
A gopher.
No, I don't want him to bite me.
He's like,
Now.
Yeah, he's a little angry. We found a gopher snake on the road.
he's so cute.
All right, should we let him go?
Yeah. He's like, stay away. I'm dangerous.
Oh.
Whoa. Bye, Snaky. Bye, Gopher.
Here we have Sister Michelle and brother-in-law Brian along for the ride. They're both pretty cool.
We like adventures.
Here we have Grandma Farrell, my mother, best mother in the world. Our celebrity, Aunt Feege. Looking good, Feege. Ollie, yeah. And we have Ellie and Matthew today. The rest of the girls are somewhere else.
Idaho Falls.
So we decided to come on an adventure today just because we had Michelle and Brian in town, and my mom and Feege have wanted to come for a while to Leslie Gulch, and so we decided to finally do it. We really kind of were running out of time because, you know, we're about ready to move here in another week. So this is probably our last adventure here in the Owyhees for a while, which is a little sad. We really love the Owyhees. They're a fun place to explore. We're enjoying it, making the most of what we have.
Very funny.
All right, we're going on a hike up this crazy looking canyon. All right, here we go, hiking.
up all the blueberries.
Alright, we hiked up the stream bed and now we're headed back down the canyon. It's starting to get a little bit dark, so we thought we should turn around. Alright, so Sister Michelle,
Yes,
opinions of the canyon today.
I love it.
Nice
Love it.
hike.
I like that it wasn't actually a hike and more of a nature walk.
Yeah. Our adventures are more nature walks. Let me slap you with the branch.
Trying to kill me. John's going off the road.
Oh, it's flat.
Thinks he saw a snake.
Is he flat? He looks the same as our other snake friend, but he looks a bit flat. I don't know.
Let's check it out.
Oh, he's definitely alive.
He's alive.
Yeah, another gopher snake.
Hi, Gopher.
He almost looks like the same one.
Gophie
that we
number
found
2.
earlier.
Gopher.
Yeah. Man, we're finding gopher snakes all over the
He's
place.
so cute.
Oh, get away.
How cute.
Hold out your hands. Just let him slither over your hand. Okay, Ellie's gonna hold him first. Ellie's gonna hold him first. Okay, just let him slither over your hands.
So he'll bite me?
No, he won't. You gotta support him though.
Okay.
Okay, don't squeeze him. Just support him.
Just hold him like that. Wow.
Nice. You guys are holding a snake.
Woo! He's attacking my He wrapped his tail around my wrist so I couldn't get it off.
Okay, let's go ahead and put him down.
Bye, Gopher. Did I do it?
Okay, you want to put him down? Go ahead.
Go
you
ahead.
go.
Bye.
There he goes.
Bye, Gopher snake.
See you later, buddy.
Are we there yet?